Up for sale is the engine off this. I believe it's an 84 or 85. I think it's an 85 Mercedes-Benz 300 300D turbo. I'll just start it up and let you hear it run. It starts right up on the first try. The odometer is showing 312,000. I don't think that this is the original motor because it's for me it seems to be way too smooth. But I'll let you be the judge on that. This is the motor running. Like all the other diesels, or unlike all the other 300s of this generation, the motor doesn't have a vibration to it. The drivetrain on this car is solid. The only issue is that the car itself probably seen better days. You might could get it to come out. Actually, it don't look that bad on video. Oh, yeah, it does. But